Müller Feinblechbautechnik GmbH processes sheet metal to make a huge variety of products. We manufacture equipment for commercial kitchens and various kinds of furniture. Our customers are actually very different, but all of them expect a very high standard. We seek out the best ways and means to satisfy our customers. Whenever I talk to our customers, I'm told that me and my team are doing a great job. That's what really motivates me. Our partners expect traditional values from us. I always expect to receive the same performance from my partners as I would offer them. And that's the case with SPI. I can't remember exactly how long we've been working with SPI. All I know is that it's been quite a long time, and the partnership has brought growth and success for both our firm and for SPI. Sheet Metal Works is designed to create a sheet metal unfolding from a 3D body. Sheet Metal Works actually offers a similar look and feel to SolidWorks. Customer data that isn't prepped for our machinery can be transferred to our machines by Sheet Metal Works, so that we can manufacture the component on our machinery. All press brakes tools are stored in Sheet Metal Works. This is a great advantage because the perfect unfolding parameters are assigned to my components and drawings automatically. Thanks to the corner clearances generated by SPI, the material forms a nice, clean corner at the end. Together with Sheet Metal Works unfolding, we receive an NC program written in a GEO file. Using Sheet Metal Works, I can edit the GEO so that all the machining patterns are included in the sheet metal part, from simple edge lines to corner clearances and threaded holes. With Sheet Metal Works, we save more than 50% of our time. It's just much easier and faster to manufacture things. In my opinion, there is no comparable product on the market. It simply works. I like when things work, and with SPI, everything works.